Howdy do, Ben Coaton here again. Welcome back. We are here for an unboxing of the DSL Guitar Strap, black leather, 2.5 inches. Let's get to it. This was manufactured in Australia, I am told. Here we are. And it was sold to me by Merchant City Music. So thanks the guys at Merchant City Music. And here's the, oh, we have a free pick. How good is that? Bit thin for me, but you know. So here is the strap. It's strong black leather with the black stitching there. I could have had red stitching or white, I believe, but I chose the black stitching. There's the little tag, DSL, made in Australia. I don't know where in Australia. Maybe you could tell me. It would be interesting to know. So there's the strap, and it's soft and shiny on one side. There we are. And on the other side, it is the rough side. And the reason I purchased this strap was because it was rough on the other side. And I like that because the strap, when it's over the top, it grips on. It doesn't tend to move. And then on the other side, obviously, it looks quite good. There's another DSL logo. And it's a good strap. I've got a few of these, and they don't let me down. Wonderful. There was the unboxing. There's the tag. Hang on. There we are. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos, like this video, and subscribe to my wonderful channel for more fantastic videos coming very soon. Hopefully every day. Be nice to each other. Bye bye.